So here, with the working knowledge of how to create real-time video feeds, it's become possible to design our own real-time interfaces. To begin, we are just using the same code that we created in previous module. So this video, we are going to drawing a circle onto the screen, and we are going to replacing the circle based on wherever we have last clicked. So start with this. Let's start creating our circle definition. So we want to initialize a few variables. First variable would be here, just below this cap, the color. So here in color, you can define whatever the green or red. So I am just here creating the red color here. And 255 is assuming as typical that the webcam has an unassigned integer at depth. So next we are going to define our line width, the color, the circle line width. You can define here means like equal to 3. Note that if we gave a value of -1, it would mean that the circle would be filled instead of having a line thickness. Next, we are going to define the initial radius that for our circle radius is equal to 100, and then finally we are going to define the initial point. So here we are just defining this point equal to with 0 and 0, like the top left corner. This will be the with 0 y and 0 x value, and here just we need to write the some code just below the frame cv2 dot circle. Circle is the built-in function here. Inside in it we will pass through the parameters, the frame, and then followed by the point where we basically want to place this circle, and then radius, here radius, and the color which is red, and then line width. Just I'm going to save this, and we are going to again here and the terminal to run this code. First we want to make sure we are in correct directory here, 0 start 9 dash start folder we are here, and just need to run this code 09.py. and if you see here, if it as it is showing me now here, and the red circle here is in this top left corner. So press the Q to quit it, and then continue writing step for capturing the mouse click. So here for this we need to write a function like with the definition click, and here we pass just we have imports the event and comma x, comma y, and flags and param here. So just the colon, and here we need to define a global point and pressed the variables, and here if event is equal to cv2 dot event underscore l button down the function. Basically is essentially this is callback that will run every time when you click mouse on the video feed, allow us to process some information. So use the callback, change the coordinates to this. We just I call this function over here, and also we can print the type pressed in the on click, that what basically we occurred here. So we can say like pressed, and here X and Y. So just point is equal to X and Y. So here using this point equal X comma Y, every time we click the left button down, it will set the point, and that we can also capture other events such as event right button down, and event button up, or even event underscore mouse move, and all these things. So just to register this, click at the OpenCV handler. Just we need to right here with us, we can say like that the here we go. Just here we need to cv2 dot named window, and here the frame, and here cv2 dot set mouse callback, and here we need to pass the frame, and here the click. So which is the capital F frame, and then we'll pause the function which is the name click. At this point we can press save and switch back to the our command line, and then see the behavior for this and call this code. If you see here, if wherever we are clicking, this air circle is appearing here on it, so you can see it. So like this is moving. So that's it. Just I am quitting this function with pressing the Q. Thank you. So if you see here, the pressed, this point is printed into that as well, and on this terminal. So that's it. I hope you guys understand it, and I'll be back with next lecture.